In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a content approval workflow in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser. Then, navigate to the Glide website. Once the page has loaded, click on the Login button to access your account. After you're logged in, open the specific app you want to edit by clicking on its name. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar. Click the .add button located into this navigation bar. From the options that appear, select the content table as the data source for this new section of your app. This tells Glide where to pull the information from for this part of your workflow. Now look at the right-hand sidebar. Here, you can choose a style for your new component. Pick the one that best suits the look and feel of your application. Next, with your new component selected, click the Add Component button, which is usually found on the left sidebar again. From the component library, select and add a chart component. This will be a visual element to represent your content approval status. With the chart component added, focus again on the right-hand sidebar. This is where you'll configure the chart. You can set up what data it displays, how it's visualized, and what metrics are important for your approval workflow. Finally, to make your changes live and accessible to users, click the Publish button located in the top right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.